The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is almost here, and as expected, all eyes are on the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the flagship S25 Ultra. But this year, there's a surprise edition that's sparking a lot of curiosity: the Galaxy S25 Slim. Samsung seems to be stepping into new territory with this ultra-thin device designed for users who value portability but still want flagship features. And if the leaks are true, this device could bring something truly groundbreaking to the table. One of the biggest challenges with making super thin smartphones has always been the camera. How do you pack powerful camera hardware into a slim body without ending up with a massive camera bump? Samsung might have found the solution thanks to a technology called ALOP, or All Lenses on Prism. For those who haven't heard, ALOP was introduced just last month. It's a cutting-edge system that reduces the size of folded telephoto camera modules by 22%. The secret? A smart combination of a 40-degree tilted prism reflection surface and a 10-degree tilted sensor assembly. In simple terms, this tech allows Samsung to shrink the camera hardware, reducing the thickness of the module. No more bulky camera bumps sticking out of the phone. The Galaxy S25 Slim is expected to be the first device to use ALOP technology, and if it works as promised, it could set a new standard for slim, premium smartphones. Imagine having a sleek device that still packs an impressive camera without compromising on design. Here's the catch. While the Galaxy S25 Slim is confirmed to be in development, the exact release date is still under wraps. Some leaks suggest it will launch alongside the Galaxy S25 series in early 2025. Others hint that Samsung might delay its debut until mid-year, possibly aligning it with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. Whenever it arrives, one thing is clear: the Galaxy S25 Slim represents a bold move in Samsung's lineup, offering something unique for high-end users to consider. It's worth noting that ultra-thin smartphones aren't exactly a top priority for most users. Let's face it, most of us care more about battery life, performance, and durability than shaving off a few millimeters of thickness. But for companies like Samsung, these devices aren't just about meeting existing demand, they're about creating it. The Galaxy S25 Slim is an experiment in pushing the boundaries of design and seeing if there's an audience for ultra-thin flagship devices. Other brands like Apple are reportedly exploring similar ideas, with rumors of an iPhone 17 Slim circulating in tech circles. So this isn't just a one-off idea, it's part of a larger trend in the smartphone industry. If you're someone who values portability and sleek design above all else, the Galaxy S25 Slim could be the perfect fit. It's ideal for people who want a premium phone that's easy to carry around without sacrificing flagship-level performance. However, this approach comes with its trade-offs. A thinner device might mean compromises in areas like battery capacity or heat management. Samsung will have to strike the right balance to make the S25 Slim a truly appealing option. Even if the Galaxy S25 Slim isn't for everyone, it's exciting to see Samsung experimenting with new ideas. The company has a history of taking risks, and while not all of them pay off, they often lead to innovation that benefits the entire industry. The S25 Slim could be a glimpse into the future of smartphone design, where devices are thinner, sleeker, and more portable, without losing the features that matter most. Whether it becomes a hit or ends up as a niche product, the Galaxy S25 Slim is shaping up to be one of the most intriguing launches of 2025. The Galaxy S25 Slim represents more than just a new phone. It's a bold step in redefining what a flagship smartphone can look like. With its innovative ALOP camera technology, Samsung is showing that it's not afraid to push the limits of design. Will this gamble pay off? Only time will tell. But for now, the Galaxy S25 Slim is definitely a device worth keeping an eye on.